Hello! It's your boy Sergeant Snooter back for another. Well, I am spitting in a Dr. Pepper can today. The mud jug's dirty and it's in my car. And it's fucking raining outside. And I'm not fucking going outside to get the goddamn son of a bitch. And I already have a dip in. A little Grizzly Extra Long Cut Premium Natty. And I would have taken a new dip for this video. But my goddamn can of snuff's out in the car too. And it's fucking raining. I'm not fucking going outside if I don't have to. And if these motherfuckers don't quit texting me, I fucking have a conniption. So, what to talk about today? Oh, if you haven't tried this, Skull Extra Wintergreen Long Cut, shit's the bomb. Okay, I mean here, I'm not a real big wintergreen guy, if y'all haven't noticed. But, that is why I've been dipping it. $3.15 a can. Can of Copenhagen Long Cut here runs about $5.40, $6.05. Depends on where you get it. If I could bought a can of Copenhagen Long Cut and a can of Copenhagen Snuff 2 weeks ago, my total was like $12.10. Fuck that. My extra long cut premium natty is like $3.70 a can. A little more doable. But yes, this shit is good. Try it out if you haven't already. What the fuck to talk about today? Oh, umpire story. Yet again, since I always have one. Doing a game last night. It's an 11, 12-year-old game. Little shitheads, basically what they are. I have a play at the dish, a little blooper back to the pitcher, kid's coming in from third. Fucking slides, foot's kind of tweaked, and fucking breaks his leg. 3 places. What the fuck? Pissed me off. I didn't know what the fuck to do. I called the fucking ambulance right away. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a goddamn jacket in the middle of fucking May, it's because it's fucking raining outside. Bullshit. Oh, well, that means mud. I can go play in the mud, get the Jeep dirty. The Jeep's pretty clean. Because it's fucking raining outside. And I hate the goddamn rain. Fucking bullshit. I hate the rain. And fucking summer. I can deal with rain if it's fucking cold, but when it's 80 degrees outside and it's fucking raining, just piss me off. So, I've come to the conclusion that all these goddamn Mexicans in this goddamn town need to get the fuck out and go back to wherever the hell they came from. I'm only here for a few more months, so I'm gonna, I guess, make the best of it. And I just think they need to get the fuck out. I'm tired of all these goddamn Mexicans. Fucking was at the doctor's office today doing a physical and goddamn sat there for 2 goddamn hours listening to nothing but fucking Spanish. And I hate Spanish. Mainly because I don't know what the fuck they're saying, but fuck it, who cares, right? I've said fucking goddamn a lot so far. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna count how many times I said fucking goddamn thus far through the video. 4 minutes in, I'm gonna go back and count and put in the fucking description below how many times I said fucking goddamn. I need to quit that shit. So, but the brighter side, I am going to Ranger, Texas on Sunday for a baseball evaluation camp, tryout, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Try and go make the best of it and hopefully get a spot on the team. Play ball. Play a little JUCO. First year or 2 in college. See what happens. Yeah, I'm fucking I quit my job last week at Extra Innings. Me and my boss had a little confrontation. Basically what it was I saw him the weekend before at our baseball tournament. I saw him 3 times. Tried to talk to him all 3 times. He didn't say a goddamn word to me, so fuck it. Whatever. Going Monday, he fucking didn't really talk to me much. He did a little bit. He tried kissing my ass because Brian quit. and he knew something was up whenever Brian quit, and I was planning on quitting pretty soon. So he was kissing my ass, and he started bitching at me for something I didn't even fucking do. Fuck off. I was like, dude, I'm done. Mail me my check. Going home. Peace out, Girl Scout. Fucking bullshit. I hate the rain. I can't stand the goddamn rain. Bullshit. It could also be the fact that I don't have back glass in my Jeep. It got shattered a few weeks ago. Fucking wind out here. Flipped the sumbitch over. And if you're not familiar with Texas, come to West Texas for 3 fucking days. And you'll see winter, summer, spring, fall, wind, rain, snow, fucking tsunami. Today, guys, it was fucking like 92 degrees outside. Beautiful day. It was hot as fuck. And now it's 6 o'clock and it's fucking raining outside. I was looking at the weather earlier and it's supposed to be back in the fucking hundreds this weekend. Oh, fuck Odessa. Fuck West Texas. Not the town, the fucking area. And by West Texas, I mean fucking Abilene and West. West Texas, though, my heart goes out to them, my prayers. That big fertilizer explosion they had a couple weeks ago killed a bunch of people. Yeah. I mean, that's a badass background, though. I don't know if you can see it. Fucking like lightning storm in the background. Badass. I'll give y'all a little look out of our goddamn weather. Bullshit. Fucking 77 right now, and it's fucking raining. 94 tomorrow. 100 degrees on Thursday, 102 Friday, 99 Saturday, 100 degrees Sunday, 98 Monday. Fucking bullshit, man. Just hot as fuck all the time. And we did have a day last week where it was like fucking 50 degrees outside. Fuck Texas. No, I'm just kidding. Love Texas. That's why I have it tattooed on my body. Texas forever. Oh, which way do I go to that word? Texas forever. Fuck West Texas, though, and our fucking weather bullshit. I was going to talk about something, then I forgot what I was going to talk about as soon as I started the fucking video. And no, it wasn't about the rain. But with that on my mind, I've had my top off for about the past week, give or take, because it's been fucking nice outside. Minus that one cold as fuck day last week, but I left it off. I've had my top off, and today, the one day my fucking mom and little brother aren't home, when I'm home, I need them because I have to put the fucking top on. So damn the rain. Yeah, I said it. Damn the rain. Damn the fucking rain. I plan on making a couple of videos here pretty soon. Funny ones. If you haven't heard this song, go listen to it. I don't know if it'll play. It's by Randy Rogers and Company. I'm trying to fast forward to the one part I want. So, with that being said, damn the rain. It's bullshit. This video's about done. Do y'all things? Comment, like, subscribe, all that bullshit below. Hit your boy with some shout-outs. Won't hurt anything. Give me some more viewers, some more subscribers. But, if you're watching this video, go watch my boy, Jake T. Snake 101. I'll put his name in the description below. Pretty badass dude. Me and him talked and bullshitted back and forth baseball. All sorts of shit, man. Go check him out. Real cool guy. Real good videos. Again, that's Jake T. Snake. Like Jake, letter T, like timeout. Snake, little fucking rattlesnakes. Some of you fucking other people in other fucking parts of the country might not know what the goddamn rattlesnake is. They're scary motherfuckers. Other than that, though, man, this video's about done. Been playing a lot of golf, though, before I forget. I've gone out over the past 3 weeks, and I've played probably 5 rounds. It's a lot to me. I shot an 87 and 83, came back to an 84. Shot a 76 last week, and then this weekend I went out and shot an 82, so. And my golf game's really getting to where I want it to be, and if it'll fucking stop raining, I'm playing tomorrow, but who knows how that'll go. Other than that, this video's done. Comment, like, subscribe, do y'all's thing, hit your boys some shout outs, and I'll see you on the next one. Keep on dipping.